Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts and settings, open your browser and sign into the Google account you plan to use. Once done, navigate to Roblox. And click Login. This is the first direct action. Make sure to allow cookies and JavaScript so the site responds. If you run two-factor verification on Google, have your phone nearby to accept the prompt. You're setting the foundation here because a correct browser session prevents common login failures later. Now focus on the middle steps and linking. Select Sign in with Google on Roblox's login screen and a Google prompt will appear. You will see a permission screen, review and allow the basic profile access so Roblox can read your email and name. Once approved, Roblox attempts to match that Google email to an existing Roblox account. Make sure the email is the same. If it doesn't match, you'll be offered to create or link an account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Finish by accepting any final permissions and confirming you're logged into Roblox. You should land on your dashboard where games and friends appear. If something goes wrong, make sure to clear your browser cache or try an incognito window. This often fixes stale session problems. For tougher errors, try another browser or device, and if needed, reset your Google or Roblox password and review account security settings. One key tip: mismatched emails cause most issues, so verify the exact email before retrying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.